How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your Meta AI if it is not showing on your WhatsApp account. So first of all, just open your WhatsApp, and after that just see whether you have the Meta AI version updated in your WhatsApp account or not. As you can see that I don't have Meta version AI updated in my WhatsApp account as of now. So just close your WhatsApp account, and after that just simply open your Play Store or your App Store. And after that, on the search bar, just simply search for WhatsApp, and over here just simply click on WhatsApp app, and after that just see if there is any update pending regarding your WhatsApp application in your mobile device or not. As you can see that in my case I don't have any update pending for my WhatsApp, but if you have any update pending in your WhatsApp account, just go ahead and update your WhatsApp. And after that, and once you update your WhatsApp account, so that might fix your Meta AI problem that it is not showing in your WhatsApp account. And if that doesn't also fix your problem, just simply open your device settings, and after that just go for the app section from there, and just simply click on app management from the top of the screen. And over here on the search bar, just simply search for WhatsApp, and after that just simply click on storage uses, and over here just simply click on clear cache, and just clear your WhatsApp cache that has been accumulated over the period of time. And once you have cleared the WhatsApp cache, so that might fix your Meta AI problem as well. But if you still can't see the Meta AI version in your WhatsApp account, that means the update has not been rolled out in your region completely. So you have to wait patiently in order to get your Meta AI version updated in your WhatsApp account, particularly in your region. And that's how you will be able to fix it. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your Meta AI not showing on your WhatsApp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.